Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 1. This is Section 2.10, Problem 1. It says use the symbols less than or greater than to indicate which fraction is larger and which fraction is smaller. And we have 1/5 and 1/4, and you don't want to just look at the 5 and say it must be bigger because the 5 is bigger than the 4. Because it's in the denominator, it's actually the opposite. The way you have to do it is make a common denominator for each fraction. So for 5 and 4, a good common denominator is 20. And now what you have to do is find the correct numerator to make an equivalent fraction. What's equivalent to 1/5 with a denominator of 20? Well, some value times 5 multiplies to make a 20. Well, that value must be 4. 5 times 4 is 20, so the numerator would also be multiplied times 4. So 1/5 is the same as 4 over 20. Now the 1/4, some value times 4 makes a 20. That value must be 5. So the numerator must also be times 5. 1 times 5 is 5. So now you can see with the common denominator, what's bigger, 4/20ths or 5/20ths? Oh, clearly the 5/20ths is bigger. And that 5/20ths came from 1/4, so the inequality symbol would point this way with the larger end towards the 1/4.